Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the latest Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. And guys, and this is the upper variant of the Infinix Hot 50 series, and this phone is costing around only 58,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have a lot of things in this phone, like we have 8 GB of RAM with the 256 GB of internal storage. Also we have a 3D curved 120Hz AMOLED display on the front. We also have a 5 years of smoothness certification by TUV. Also on the back we have some more specification. We have Helio G100 SoC. Also we have 33 watt super fast charging with 5000 mAh battery size. We also have Infinix AI. We have some AI features. Also we have dual speakers, sound by JBL, Android 14. What is Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus has you offer? Also has a IP54 water splash resistance, and the color I have is a titanium gray color. So I'm really liking the box of the Infinix Hot 50 Pro series, and this one also available in the black color. So let's open this box and let's open this. So on the top we have our device, Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus 5G. I mean this is a 4G variant. So now let's sort the phone from this plastic. Guys, you can see here it's a titanium gray color looks like. On the back we have a matte finish. Although the back is made up of plastic, on the back we have triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera with the 2 megapixel depth sensor as well as a VGA lens. So the camera bump it is not really big, I would say. On the front we have a curved AMOLED display. So let's quickly boot this phone up, and inside there is our soft silicone case, and it's our simulation tool, and right there we have our warranty card. Also we have a tempered glass with the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus inside the box, which is a really good thing. And here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 33 watt super fast charger. This phone maximum support only 33 watt. Base type we have a 45 watt. And here's our cable, USB type C to USB A cable, and that's about it inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side and let's look at the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. Bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as our SIM tray. So let's see the SIM tray. We should see a hybrid SIM slot. And guys, and this is a full-fledged SIM slot, so you can use 2 nano SIMs as well as micro SD card at the same time. We also have rubber gaskets. So on the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. On the top we have another speaker with another microphone, and overall I would say this phone feels really light in the hand. Although we have 5000 mAh battery size, this phone feels really comfortable in my hand. On the front we have 6.7 inch full HD plus AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate with a center punch hole. Again, this one has a curved AMOLED display, and especially I am really liking the back. The back is completely flat and the frame it is slightly rounded, so this phone feels really comfortable in the hand. Anyways, let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, again this one has a AMOLED display. So let's see the max brightness. So here's some max brightness. So the display I would say looks very bright even for indoors. So here's the notification panel looks like. So let's go to the setting. We also have NFC, my phone. So this one is running on Android 14. Also we have XOS version 14.5. We have a 256 GB of internal storage out of 19.95 GB it is already used. Let's see the in-display fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, as you can see, it works absolutely fast. Let's look at the camera. So this phone has a single camera, and the back camera maximum shoot only 1440p at 30 fps. We also have ultra steady mode and the bokeh mode also available. So all those things it is available. Here is the film mode, here is the portrait mode, super night mode. In the mode section we also have slow motion, dual view, video mode, even the pro mode also available. So let's look at the front facing camera. This one has a 13 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera I would say it is okay. So the front camera also shoot maximum 1440p at 30 fps. Here's the bokeh mode with the front facing camera, and here is the ultra steady mode. Here's the portrait mode. Night mode also available with the front facing camera, and the slow motion it is not available. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a massive 5000 mAh battery size with 33 watt super fast charging. This phone feels really light in the hand. 6.8 mm slim edge design we have on the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus, and this one should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use with the 5000 mAh battery size. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.